Hi guys, my name is Nonima Tikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Unjabulo of News for Sure and Patricia Mashele of The Real Mastermind. Both those guys, they are the reason Babu Zungu is in that courtroom. We should appreciate them and give them a round of applause. Big up to those guys. We never gave Unjabulo a petrol. If he flew to KZN, we never bought him flight tickets, but he made it to KZN in Newcastle. If he drove, we never gave him petrol money, but he made sure that Ubabu Zungu tells his side of the story. Let me tell you how it happened, how I know it happened. Maybe they have they will do their own what you call they will tell us. Maybe I should invite them. They must come to for an interview. I want to interview them, actually. I want to interview them. I want to hear how they feel about it. Vindicated. They were called names. On TikTok, Njabulo was called names. On Facebook and on Twitter, Patricia was called names. For other things, other than the Senzo Maria case when it comes to pet. But most of the things that she posted about, they came to light. There they are. Yes, there may be things that people don't agree with when it comes to this pet, but she keeps pushing that we cannot run away. At this point, let's talk about the Senzomiwa case. They investigated the Senzomiwa case on the sides. We spoke about it here online. They did investigations. Someone conducted Njabulo and said, listen, Kutwa Ubabu Zungu is ready to talk. Ubabu Zungu is sick and tired of hearing his name in that courtroom. Ubabu Zungu is distancing himself from what Gininda is saying about him. Ubabu Zungu wants no part in all of this nonsense. Ubabu Zungu is sick and tired of it all. So now, what you must do, you need to find a way. In Babu Zungu's head initially, as you heard him in court, he thought he was going to say what he says on TikTok so that people can hear his side of the story, because he thought he was never going to be called in court, because a case started and he's supposedly the one that brought a breakthrough, and now no one calls him to come and speak. Instead, he's hearing other people speaking, including Gininda. He had his son, he had Gininda, and he had other people, but not him. And then he was like, well, in July, was it before or after Baloyi the state closed their case? I don't remember, but somewhere there. Somewhere there, and then there was a video that made the rounds on social media of Babu Zungu being interviewed by Daily Sign. According to Njabulo, we only got 20 minutes of that video, but that video is way bigger than 20 minutes. They were supposed to post more. I hope after Babu Zungu is done with his evidence, like even cross-examination, they post it. All of it. I hope Daily Sun has the liver to post it. And now, Unjabulo, he told the story also that he didn't know how to go about it when he got someone who said, we need your assistance because we've heard you speaking on TikTok about the Senzomiwa case. So how can you help Ubabu Zungu? And then he spoke to Patricia Mashele about it, and Patricia Mashele made contact to a station commander or someone in Newcastle. And then Ulona Unjabulo organized Daily Sun. They went and listened to Babu Zungu's story, and then they advised him to open a case. Because if he says he never agreed to what was happening, then it means crime happened. It means crime happened, so he needs to talk, and he needs to open a case, which is what he did. And he's telling the story also in the courtroom that the TikTok people assisted him. And he just went there. He wanted to talk. They advised, open the case if this happened, and he did. There is a case that he opened against Gininda. And the investigation, I don't know. They must not think of just closing it off because now everything is out in the open. They need to tell Ngeninda, sir, you need to get arrested. You need to get arrested and we need to arrest you. They need to investigate and arrest Ngeninda at this point. If they are serious about it, they need to investigate Ngeninda. In fact, if Commissioner, National Commissioner was serious, he was supposed to take that docket and say, and give it to these guys. Since the IPD is also problematic, supposed to give it to the PKTT, investigate that entire situation fast and furious, and arrest everyone that was involved when it comes to Baubuzungu. Arrest them. That would be a big case. That would be a big case. Anyway, so this is me saying thank you to Unjabulo. Njabula, thank you to Unjabulo. And thank you to Unjabula has a channel in Mzansi for sure. Thank you to Usis Patricia Mashele. She also has a channel, The Real Mastermind. So please go and support them in their channels. And also know that the reason Babuzungu is in court is those two. They made it happen. They made it happen. They made his story be known. It's because of those two people. If you didn't know, now you know. It's because of those two people that Babuzungu is having a voice and is in that courtroom, exposing all the lies, the cheating, the forgery of it all, everything. Because that's what we are hearing, that I did not even sign, but there are signatures that were talked of in court. So let's appreciate sister Pet. Let's also appreciate Unjabula. Let's also appreciate all the YouTubers who have made an effort and spoke against the injustice when it comes to the Senzo Mewa case. Let's appreciate all of them. Mzansi Unfiltered, Mzansi Reality, Noni M Podcast, Infotainment Podcast, Kwazi Bear, Skybridge, The Hot Seats, Stempi Somgoma, The Fix, who else, guys? Who else? I forgot the other names, but there's a lot of channels. There's a lot of channels that are speaking about it. All of them, they were reporting on this channel, on this Senzo Meyiwa matter, and they were reporting what is happening. They were like every day. While the media, the real media, was not willing to talk about the things. I'm not hearing them being hoo-ha because it's supposed to be everywhere on the news. It's supposed to be trending, but it's not. That Babuzungu is distancing himself from this. In fact, they're supposed, Mr. Absalom Zungu, the star witness, the guy that brought the breakthrough, was said to be the one that brought the breakthrough in the Senzo Meyiwa case, is distant. No one is talking about that. So thanks to Njabulo and Patricia for making sure it happens. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on our next video. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.